Congratulations to Peanuts for reaching 700,000 subscribers. That's not just another milestone, that's history in the making. And here's the crazy part. If his current growth continues, we could be looking at South Africa's next 1 million subscriber creator before the end of 2026. Woo! But here's the question. What makes Peanuts so different from everyone else? Why does every video he uploads seem to pull in thousands of viewers? Stay until the end because there's one thing about his journey that many people overlook. I think it's safe to say that he's truly one of the chosen ones because very few South African YouTubers have managed to build such a massive community in such a short space of time. Think about this for a second. His YouTube journey only started around March 2025, and fast forward to July 2026, is already sitting at over 700,000 subscribers. That's incredible growth, especially considering how competitive YouTube has become. What's even more impressive is that his supporters don't just watch his videos, they genuinely show up for him every single time he uploads. That kind of loyal audience isn't easy to build. It takes consistency, authenticity, and a connection that people can relate to. Now, a lot of people have different opinions about why Peanuts has become so successful. Some say it's because of his personality, others believe it's his energy and the way he interacts with people. Then there are those who simply enjoy watching him dance and have fun on camera. Whatever the reason is, one thing is clear, it's working. Every month his community keeps growing, his videos keep reaching more people, and his name continues to dominate conversations on social media. And if we're being honest, Peanuts has also shown that you don't always need expensive production or flashy editing to win on YouTube. Sometimes being yourself, staying consistent, and creating content that people genuinely enjoy can take you further than anyone expects. Now, here's the exciting part. At the rate it's growing, I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we see Peanuts hit 1 million subscribers before the end of 2026. If that happens, it will be another massive achievement not only for him, but for South African YouTube as a whole. But I want to hear from you. Do you think Peanuts will reach 1 million subscribers before the end of 2026? Or do you think it might take a little longer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more South African entertainment updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.